Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was gonna make chicken lasagna, and I thought I'll quickly just maybe share the recipe with everyone. It's a very quick and easy recipe, very easy for students and people who want like a quick, maybe delicious, yummy lasagna at home. So I'll begin. So this is the lasagna sheets that I've got. They're really good, so I thought I'll I'll make it in a bit of a quantity. So I've gotten 2 of these. Then I got these Parmesan cheese, which I'll put on top. Then I've got some onions and green chilies, got some cheese. I thought I'll try this pasta sauce. It's Italian herbs. Then I've got some ginger garlic paste, so probably 1 teaspoon of that. I've got some mozzarella cheese as per your liking. I've got some mushrooms. This is a whole can. Then I've got this chicken stock cube. I might put like 1 or half in there. Then I've got some chili flakes, which I might just put as per liking. Some salt for seasoning. I've got some black olives there, obviously oil, oregano, fresh black pepper, milk for white sauce, plain flour, and I've got 1 kg chicken. So I might just share the ingredients in the description, but here is everything you need. So I'm starting off by putting some oil in the pan. I'll probably add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So this is basically for the chicken mince. Adding in the onions and the chilies. Sauteing all of things. So this is one medium onion, and I've got 3 green chilies in there. So the onions are now almost translucent. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give that a little bit of stir. So after stirring the onions, green chilies and ginger garlic paste for a couple of minutes, next I'm going to add the chicken mince in there, and I'm going to just break it and stir it. So basically after cooking the chicken for about 5 minutes, I'm just going to add this pasta sauce in there, so maybe half of it. Perfect. And then we'll see if we need more, and then possibly add more. Let me just mix this up. So just going to let it cook for about like 5 to 10 minutes. Like in between, obviously I'll keep stirring it, but just going to cover and cook for now. That's how the chicken's cooking now. I'm just going to add some crushed chili flakes there, as per liking. And give it a mix. So although as per the box, and technically here in Australia, like I think people don't usually boil the lasagna sheets, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna blanch them a couple of minutes, so that, you know, just for satisfaction. But I'm pretty sure if you even don't blanch them, this should be okay. But I'm just gonna blanch them for a couple of minutes just in case, and just to be like on the safe side. So now I'm going to start making the white sauce. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, I'm going to add the mushrooms. I'm going to just saute this first a while. after sauteing the mushrooms, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of flour in it. So after sauteing it for a couple of minutes, I'm just going to add some milk in there. So I'm adding 1 cup milk first, and then I'm going to add more. So altogether I've added 2.5 cups of milk, and then I've added some black pepper in it. So I'm just gonna let it cook for some time. And I'm also going to now add in it the chicken cube. You can also add chicken powder, but I've got chicken cubes, so I might just add that one in. So next I'm going to add half the chicken cube in there, and let it all cook for about 5 minutes at least. I mean, keeping it mixed in between. So it's been cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next I'm going to add all the cheese in there. So I'll have to put the camera down. So I've left the white sauce cooking, and the best way to tell if it's cooked is that I'm just gonna show you. Give me 1 moment. So as you can see, I tried to wipe it with my finger on the spoon, and it's no longer traveling. So that's what the consistency is good for your pasta. But if you want to make it a little bit more thick, you can. I'm just gonna turn off the stove now. It's all done. So I've blanched the pasta sheets or the lasagna sheets for like a couple of minutes, and I've added some oil into the baking dish, and now I'm just like adding the sheets in there. So just like that. So I'm going to put the pasta sheets first. Next I'm going to add the chicken mince here. Spread it. Next, I'm going to add the white sauce. So next I'm adding another layer of lasagna, like this. Added another layer of chicken, and then going to add some of the white sauce on it. Added all the white sauce on top. Now I'm just going to add some cheese slices, just randomly going to spread them. You can also shred it, but I had like cheese slices, so I'm just gonna come back after adding them. So after adding the cheddar cheese, I'm going to add this whole packet of Parmesan cheese on it, and just basically cover it all up. Added the Parmesan cheese. Next I'm just going to sprinkle some oregano on it. Put a bit of a shake there. Because I've not added it in any other layers, so